Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today is day 4 of my Valentine's Inspiration series. I hope that you've been enjoying it so far, and I can't wait to share more projects with you. I will have 8 in total, so I hope that you come back each and every day and see what I've created for you. Today's project is a hexagonal explosion box, and I made this using this die set from Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin. And it was very, very easy to assemble, and you get a lot of dies, which made the cutting go rather quickly. I used a couple of different paper collections to decorate this box. One is from the Amour collection by Karina Gardner. It comes from Echo Park. And this is really a great project for using up your scraps, which is what I did. And I also used this collection from Echo Park. It's called Love Story. And this is by Lori Whitlock. Both very beautiful collections and lots of fun to work with. So I decorated the front just with a cut apart from the collection. And these little hearts come from Paper Wishes. They are Dazzle's stickers. And I love them because they're kind of, holographic, I guess. Just give a nice shine to your projects. And I did use those all the way around the lid on this project. And then on the top of the box lid, I just used some red foil cardstock from my stash, which I embossed just with a little pattern for interest. And then I glued this little knob onto the top. I purchased this set from Amazon. Now, it did come with screws. I did not use the screws. I just attached mine with hot glue. So when we remove the lid, that's when the explosion happens. So much fun. And all of this area to put your photos. So that's going to look so nice when you've got your photos down. And I did decorate the inside of the lid as well. And this is what the sides of this next layer look like. And when we take this lid off, again, got another explosion happening. I just think these papers are so fun. Just decorated the tops of these simply. Also decorated the inside of that lid. That's what the sides look like. And as we remove this lid, we have another explosion. That's the inside of that one. This is a sticker from the collection that says Love is in the Air. And this remaining one is simply a box. I could have made it exploding, so that is an option if you want to do that. But I left this one just as a box so that you could put some goodies in. And I just think that this would be such a fun idea. If you were going to propose to someone, you could fill this album up with pictures of, yourself and all of your romantic adventures to that point, and put the engagement ring inside this last box. I think that presentation would just be spectacular. So just an idea. And then this all just closes up very simply. This die set was very well designed, and it was very simple to construct. I have quite a few die sets from Simply Made Crafts, and I just think that they are spectacular. I hope you enjoyed today's project, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!